First, open up project settings and in input section, add two action mapping input and name them upsizing and downsizing. You can choose any key you want, but in this case I'm choosing E and Q for these inputs. After creating inputs in content drawer, right click and search for enumeration and create one and name it size_enum. Open up enumeration you just created and add three enumerator and name them small size, medium size and big size. Open up your character blueprint viewport and select capsule component. As you can see, mesh and camera are childs of this capsule component, so their location and their scale is related to the location and scale of this capsule component. And in this project you are just working on changing the scale of this capsule component. Now open character blueprint event graph and add two inputs that you have created, downsizing and upsizing. Now create a new variable and name it size. From variable type section, search for size_enum, which is that enumeration you created for size. Compile and set default value to medium size, because our character's default size is medium. Get size enumeration and drag a switch node, just like the video. Connect switch node to upsizing input. Now from a small size execution pin, add a timeline and name it small to medium. Create another timeline for medium size and name it medium to big, just like previous one. Make sure your switch node is connected to play from start, not to the play. Now from update execute pin, search for set relative scale 3D and make sure target is capsule component. Copy and paste and connect to medium to big timeline. Open up timeline and add a float track and set length to 0.5. You can set different numbers to the length. I add 0.5 because I want to size changing animation to be done in 0.5 seconds. Now right click and add two keys and set time and value just like I described in the video. Now connect track output to new scale 3D input. Now set size enumeration to medium. Now repeat same process for medium to big, and you can set values by numbers that are shown in the video. Now size enumeration should be set to big. Downsizing process is similar to upsizing. You can just copy and paste all nodes and change timeline values and set them with numbers that are shown in the video. Just repeat the process and insert numbers and variables that are shown in the video. Make sure this is connected to play from start. If you connect it to play, your timeline works only once. You can also use print string nodes to see size state of your character. Now compile and run your game. As you can see, you can easily upsize or downsize your character with E and Q buttons, exactly like It Takes Two video game. If this tutorial was useful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.